Hi everyone, Grace from Gojji here. I'm really excited that your provider recommended you to Gojji for your diabetic needs. It is very easy to use. I will walk you through it. You're going to receive your kit in a USPS box just like this. So we'll go ahead and open it and get started. Inside the box, you will see your Gojji multifunctional meter that contains your lancing device, some lancets, some blood glucose test strips, some ketone test strips, and your blood glucose control solution. Okay, so now let's open the box. Once we open the box, we'll see this carrying case. So inside the carrying case here is your meter, and then also you have your charger in here. So now we can just go ahead and start testing. You'll know it's fully charged when this light turns green. To turn on the meter, just go ahead and press this button on top. Now we go ahead and wait for this to initialize. When you turn on your meter, you will see that date and time is not accurate, but don't worry, it will update once it connects to the cellular network. Okay, so now it's time to start testing. Don't forget to wash your hands. Go ahead and insert the test strip into the port. The meter will detect what type of test strip you inserted.
Please apply blood to the strip.
You will see some health tips while the meter is analyzing your sample. Your readings will be available within seconds.
Your blood glucose is 166 milligrams per deciliter.
Now remember to tag as your readings display.
Your blood glucose is 166 milligrams per deciliter.
Now right here, you'll see the flashing signal as your data is being uploaded. The reading has now been uploaded. At times, you will see some feedback based on your readings. Now you can see here the date and time has automatically synced. Your readings are displayed here. For more information about your Gojji meter, check out our video on testing. So testing is just that simple. Remember, don't forget, it's so important to start testing as soon as you get your kit. Gojji and your doctor will be monitoring your test, and we're here to help you if you have any issues, so don't hesitate to contact us. Happy testing, everyone.